Hello again. Welcome to another video. Thanks for joining us again for another unboxing. Today we're going to be looking at a new skin for the LG V40. The last time I showed this skin, it was something I got from Amazon from cutouts, and I've been using that ever since I showed that video, and it's been pretty good. But this time I wanted to get something that was clear, that would show off the logo on the back of the phone, the LG logo and the V40 logo. I wanted to get something that was going to protect the phone but still kind of show off and some of that beauty that LG put into designing this phone. I didn't want to cover that up. So this is the Spigen smartphone case for the LG V40 ThinQ liquid crystal. We're going to open this up and see what it's like. This is what it looks like when it comes in the package or in the box. Green campaign, gotta like that. Smartphone case, something you want, by Spigen. So before we get started, please like and share the video. If you wouldn't mind, please hit the subscribe button with the notification bell. We can let people know that we're on and that we are doing these greatness and gadgets videos. I'm going to be bringing you information about, things I pick up that help me do what I do, which is promote the message of adopting an elite mindset. And so I'm using these tools like my V40. I'm recording with the V30, by the way. So, other tools, I've got a camera that I'm using, and we're making videos, not only for mindset purposes, but, for marriage purposes. I've got another channel called the Magnificent Marriages channel that you can check out. I'll put a card up at the top so you can check that out. So yeah, we're just creating content and talking about things that I like. So let's get into it. This is the Spigen liquid crystal V40 ThinQ case. So let's open it up and see what we got. Makes it easy. You pull that little thing up right there. Okay. So that's the box is empty now. And this is the case. Look at that. It looks good already, doesn't it? So what do we get inside here? Oh, a cleaning wipe. I like that. To keep that lens clean and the screen clean. These V40s are fingerprint magnets. So it's good to have that. And this is just an instruction on how to use the wet cleaner. In situations where there is a stain, then there's some Chinese or Japanese, I'm not sure which. No offense to those cultures. I just don't know what it says. Also, this is the case. Let's take a look at it. It's very clear. Very clear indeed. Look at that. I mean, you can see right through that. You can see right through that. That's going to show off that body beautifully. Oh, I've already got a smudge on there at the bottom there. Got to make sure I use my clean wipe to clean that off. But I like it. It's very flexible. Minimal branding. It's got where's Spigen at? I just saw it right there. You see that? Right there with the logo, it says Spigen. So you can see what it says. All right, let's grab this V40 and put it on in there. This is the V40 ThinQ, one of the best purchases I've made all year. Now I had the V30, which I still have. I've got to turn that thing in after a little bit here. I'm not upset at all that I got this V40 phone. This has been a joy to use. Okay, let's check this out. Let's get this stuff out of the way. I got my collection of old phones back here. I'm old school. I can put my SIM card in there and still get a 3G signal if I need to. Anyway, check this out. This is the case. Now, this has a nice raised lip. Can you see that? I'm not sure if you can see. Nice raised lip on all sides. So that's a bonus. So that's already telling me that it's going to protect against frontal drops. The other case, the cutouts case, was a little bit smaller along the edges. Still protects the screen, but it's just a little bit smaller. This gives me a little bit more assurance that we're not going to have any issues with a drop. Then on the back, oh, look at that, fingerprints everywhere. Let me see if I can wipe that down. That's one thing I guess we're gonna have to deal with this clear case, is fingerprints. But my fingers are greasy. I just had lunch. So you think you wash your hands good enough, you still got oil all over your skin. So what do you do, right? What do you do? Anyway, good coverage around the cameras. Right here, I like this part here where you can easily feel fingerprint button. Let's test these buttons out, shall we? Like on the other video, I said, you know, you get these phones and when there is no skin, it's so flush. Sometimes you can't really feel that button. But with this one, there, real quick. Let me turn it back off. Oh, here's a good chance to test the power button. Boom. Oh, hold on. All right, let's try this again. Boom. Turns it off. Fingerprint. Boom. Let's try the Google Assistant button. Easy to push. Hey Google, how's it going?
Can't complain.
There you go. Google cannot complain today. All right. Up and down buttons for the volume. No problems. So like the other case, I love the fact that the buttons are easy to push. Easy to push. Easy to push. And you get an immediate response. So let's look at the bottom here. We've got the opening for the headphone jack. Let's turn this around so you can see. Opening for the headphone jack. The charging port. And the speaker grills. So you've got lots of clearance for each of these, so it should not be a problem plugging your headphones in or a mic. No problem here getting your charger port in, your charging cord. Nice space on each of those. What does that say? Air cushion technology. Okay, this is something I read about on Amazon, which is where I got this case from. I'll put the link below. Air cushion technology. I guess one of the features of this case is that it has something inside to keep it from discoloring over time. A lot of these clear cases discolor over time. They yellow or they get a tint to them. Something inside of here keeps it from discoloring over time. So we'll have to see over the long haul how that works out. But this is a nice case. This is actually very beautiful. It's almost like looking at it without a skin. But you've got these ridges on the edges, a little bit raised here to give you extra protection against the fall, and I like that. I like look at all these logos and insignias on the sides. Spigen Incorporated, Irvine, California, made in South Korea. This is legit. So hey, we're gonna give this a try. It feels good in the hand. I'm not seeing where I'd have any issues with this. So that's the Spigen crystal clear case for the LG V40. This one looks pretty solid. I'm gonna rock this for a little while and see how I like it. Okay guys, thanks again for watching. Please tune in for more videos. Join us next time, and we'll see you soon.